Hi, it's Erin, and you're probably wondering what I'm doing down here on the floor. Well, that's because down here on the floor is where my next review takes place. We're looking at how to clean your floors better, starting by using the Roomba robot vacuum, the 980 version. It's the newest vacuum from Roomba, and it's got some significant improvements over old versions. We're going to take a look in this review at just some of them, but key among them, there's improved navigation. Basically, the new robot vacuum has cameras built right in. We'll get into that in just a second. The second thing is this robot is now cloud connected. You can actually control the Roomba 980 with your smartphone. And the third thing is there's a better motor, it's smarter, and it's more powerful, which lets you clean not just floors, but carpets as well. Let's start with carpets. Did you hear that? That's one of the things that makes the 980 new and different. It's got what's called carpet boost. Basically, the motor runs on a lower setting when cleaning floors because it has a lot less work to do. Once it hits carpet, where it's got to get a little more suction to get the dirt up out of those fibers, it kicks into higher power and you can really notice it. Here's the difference that stronger motor makes. Once you open up the dustbin, you can see that it's packed full with dirt, debris, pet hair, you name it. That's all thanks to the higher suction power. Fortunately, cleanup is easy. When the dustbin says it's full, just take it over to the garbage, open up the back, and dump it. So what else makes the Roomba 980 on the right different from the 880 model on the left? Well, aside from some aesthetics differences and some buttons on the 880 versus a more sleek control panel on the 980 on the right, there are two other major feature differences. To understand what's new with the navigation of the Roomba 980, it's best if we flip it over. We'll start here. There's a new optical digital sensor underneath. It's kind of the same thing you'd find in a computer mouse, and that's how it finds its position in space and relates it back to your computer. Same story here. If you flip the robot back over, there's also something new on top. It's a camera that basically allows the robot to know exactly where it is in relation to objects or other obstacles in your house. Final thing that's new with the 980, cloud connectivity. You can control this Roomba from anywhere in your house or really anywhere in the world by using the app. It's super responsive and you can use it whether you've left home for the day and forgotten you wanted to turn on the vacuum before you left, or you want to have a little fun and wake up somebody at home who's having a nap. By now you're probably wondering how well it cleans. I spilled some raisins and some flour on my kitchen floor and set the Roomba 980 to work. I chose the spot clean mode for this test, and you'll see that it kind of just goes in a circular pattern and sucks up everything within a small radius. One other thing you'll notice here in a second is that it's kind of kicking the raisins all over the floor. I was a bit concerned about that, but as it turns out it's okay because as the circle widens, it actually does end up picking up everything no matter where it's landed. The Roomba 980 sucked up not just the fine flour, well, at least where I didn't have deep gouges in my floor, but also the raisins too, so I think it did a pretty good job doing both light spills and larger, more heavy-duty ones. So that's the story with the IRobot Roomba 980 vacuum. Don't forget, grab the full review off my website. It's techgadgetscanada.com. You can also follow me on Instagram or Twitter at ErinLYYC. Thanks a lot for watching. It's time to put this guy back to work. Get out of here.